Hi there, and welcome to this tutorial on Google Search Targeting. To help you reach your audience with Google Search ads, we've already recommended the right keywords for you based on your campaign setup. But you can easily edit them too. Just open the Google Launcher, head to the Targeting section, and click Edit Targeting. Here you'll see the suggested keywords, but you can also add your own. Just click Add, type them in, and you're all set. If you'd like to find new keywords, there's a super easy way to do that. Go to the Creative Hub, then Audiences, and select Keyword Explorer. Type in a topic related to your business or brand, choose your language and location, and click Search. You'll see a list of keyword ideas you can choose from. Pick the ones that fit your campaign goals best, and then click Create New Plan. Next, go back to the Google Launcher, open the editor, head to Targeting, and click New Audience. Here's where your new plan will appear, complete with all the keywords you just selected in the Keyword Explorer. You can also add negative keywords, set your location targeting by area or radius, exclude places you don't want to target, and even choose your language preferences. Once everything looks good, just save your changes, and that's it. Your keywords are now ready, and your campaign is good to go.